also Mount Chiliad. What? Oh, Jesus Christ, why are you doing the laugh? Why are you doing the laugh? Why are you doing that laugh?
You have no idea what I'm gonna do to you. You have no idea. Hi. Can you take me to the warehouse?
What's not a few of those? Especially with the new clothes.
Chatty has a wild plan.
Clothes yet?
Yappy paid?
From like last week.
Sorry, I'm going through it right now.
Oh yeah, no, it's all good, it's all good. That'll just be an extra minute.
We can get the house in a couple days if you want to be evil. Chatty has a wild plan. Oh, I'm gonna get him back. Oh my god, the car looks great. It's so much better without the red, the coral red color. I actually like the wheels. Wheels with the black. Oh, he's dead. What's the plan? Spill the tea, sis. Oh, he's dead.
Hiccup said, "What's the plan? Spill the tea, sis." And she said, "OMG, the car looks great. It's so much better without the coral red color. I actually like the wheels with the black." I'm glad you like the car.
All right, check it out.
This is sick.
Give you a little tour. So this is gonna be like a shop front. It's gonna look like a waiting room at a mechanic's office or something. And then when you sneak through the doors...
No way. What? It's huge. It's it's ginormous.
This is our storage bay.
This
Everyone
is
gets their
sick.
own private... Oh, look. Zone Gomer got put next to you.
Yeah, you told him to. You told him to.
Everyone gets their own private stash. I think you're over here, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing.
This is gonna be right there.
Wait, that's so cute. You put cups?
Yeah, everyone's got their own little nickname.
So cute. Oh my god, I live here. I live right here. This is where I live. Wait, what's the best part? Oh my god,
over
this
here
is
is our torture room, jail cell.
Oh my god! No way!
Hey, if you want to lock someone up, go in here. If you ever lose your mind, just lock yourself in there.
Oh, wait. Can we use this now? I need to put people in here. Okay, bag on head.
The best part is not this meeting room or that kitchen.
I'm
seen X-Men?
What? What the fuck?
This? I'm fucking dying. Oh shit. This is the server room. Slash shark room. Where I'm gonna have sharks down here that we're gonna kidnap and put sharks in simply with them.
Yeah, we're gonna have sharks.
This is the best thing I have ever seen. Oh my god, this is the best. My mind is flowing with ideas on how to ruin people's lives. This is the best. Wait! Ooh, that's dangerous. Okay.
So it should be completely done in like, maybe a few days. I'm not sure what else he has planned.
This is incredible. Chatty got kissed by Mr. Ratchet and Yappy? -1 missed call. -1. extra, extra, extra mad. What? My heart is shattered. You bitch! Fuck you! Are you serious? You are so dead to me. You better count your days, Eli Love. I
just wanted to check. Just wanted to make sure you like the new rims.
Oh, this is about the rims? I thought this was about you kissing Chatty.
Oh, how did you find out about that?
Oh, I have my sources.
Wait, it wasn't just once, right?
Oh, no,
it was numerous times.
Are you serious?
On the lips.
Are you serious?
And you didn't even pull away. And it wasn't even just me, it was Kirk as well.
And Ratchet.
And Ratchet. I'm sorry, I didn't mean...
Was this even consensual, or like, are you guys just like...
Well, he poked his head out the window, so we just saw an opportunity and started kissing him on the head. But
So, since you couldn't bag Carmela, you go after my man.
Whoa. Carmela was a mutual breakup, thank you very much.
I'm starting to think it wasn't, because I'm seeing all the red flags.
Whoa. Chatty didn't fight it, okay? He seemed like he enjoyed it, maybe. Thinks he did. I don't really know. Oh, God.
I'm gonna die, I think. Oh.
You're not gonna break up over this, right? Wait, right?
Oh, I almost got ran over by a van.
Oh.
I'm fine.
Oh. The rims.
The rims? No,
You're
I
keeping
like
them,
the
right?
rims. Yeah.
What do you mean you like them?
It looks so... I think the reason why I really didn't like it last time was because it had like this coral red paint that I didn't like at all, but it looks good on black.
So you're saying that we need to change the actual color of the whole thing then? You were meant to hate it, man. You weren't meant to actually end up liking it.
What? No, it looks good.
I can't tell whether you're being sarcastic or not, but it's eating me alive.
Oh, I thought it was a kind gesture.
Yeah, hey, Ray, anything for you. You know, that was money that
I'm actually surprised
really...
that you did it because Chatty took the responsibility. I thought it was very cute.
Yeah, but then we all death rolled for the power, you know?
The power?
The power of customizing the car. Yeah, we all death rolled for it.
Sorry, one second, Eli. Hello.
Are you okay? I almost killed you.
Oh, I'm okay. Thanks for asking.
Good?
Yeah, I was just getting cheated on, so I'm having a moment.
Whoa, no.
Okay.
Oh, bye. Have a go. What's your name, by the way?
Luca, let me give you this.
Oh, that's cute.
Fuck.
Oh.
I hope this helps.
Oh, what is this?
There
Your name's
you go.
Luca?
For
Oh my
you.
god, a cheese smoothie.
Yeah.
Thank you.
For you.
Next time, run
Bye.
me over.
No.
I have nothing to live for.
Don't say that.
Bye.
You should check Twitter, Ray.
Chatter ellum.
No, it says Chatterlum. Chatterlum. Okay,
Chatterlum.
Chatterlum. Yeah, Chatterlum. Does that,
You know damn well
it's-
that comes nothing close to Chattercups.
It sounds, it rolls off the tongue.
It absolutely doesn't.
It does. You tried to kill me the other day because I said I would avoid you.
What is your biggest fear?
Sharks in the sea. And also Mount Chiliad. what? Oh, Jesus Christ, why are you doing the laugh? Why are you doing the laugh? Why are you doing that laugh?
You have no idea what I'm going to do to you. You have no idea. Oh, hell yeah. Wow! Oh my god! Wow! I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh! Oh my god. To my cups. I'm gonna throw up. Shitting, pissing, crying, throwing up. Oh my god. Oh my god! Cups! Sorry for not texting you. I did try calling a few times. Really happy we got to spend the day together. Not sure what I would do without you. I'm finding peace. Left some things in the glove box. Kirk yucked up your rims, but we will force him to fix it. Love ya. Ugh. How do... RayMonds is so in love, bro. So in love. Whoa. I'm surprised. I'm surprised she got a spot out here. Oh, God! Hello!
Oh,
wow.
That's Jen's house over there, and then Hydra lives over here, which Queenie and September want to buy.
Whoa. I'm kind of surprised you guys moved to the desert. It's okay. I just need to let you know that, like, I don't fuck with them. I want to ruin their lives. I want to kill them all. But, yeah, I don't really know what to do with the house because I can't live there.
Let's move!
But where and when?
Well, you could stay here for now if you don't feel safe there.
I'm so glad you offered because I wanted to ask, but I didn't know how to ask without imposing, and I felt bad, and I was like, I don't know if I should do this because it's really weird if I just, like, ask something of that. Like, I can expect you of that because, like, I mean, you have a life out here. Okay, I would love to. Can I please stay here? Like, I literally can't, like...
Well, do you want to stay here or my other property?
I don't care. I just can't be there because if they retaliate, then it's going to, like, affect Max, right? Like, that's his house, and I care about him. I don't want them to fuck with him because of me. But I need to be able to, you know, stand up for myself. Like, fuck them. Like, I can't, I don't know. Stressful.
Okay. Well, I want you safe, and you're my bestie. That is probably the last time they'll ever even get a loan from me unless they con me somehow into getting a loan. But either way, if they con me, I could always fuck them over financially. What's your state ID?
Wait, really?
Okay. I'm not gonna have you wake up and get stabbed or whatever by then. What the fuck? Of course.
I didn't think you would do me. 6858. I really appreciate it. It's just so uncomfortable just like even walking outside, you know, knowing that they could just decide to like yoink me. Thanks, Kitty.
You're welcome.
I like you.
I would have you at the other house, but there's no decorations. I bought a second home.
Damn, bitch. Where is it?
Okay, let's go see it.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so who all lives here?
Just me and Octo.
Okay, and then, my God, oh my
here,
God, I'll buy some earplugs.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You and Chatty are gonna. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You better buy some too.
Oh God. I can't wait till he wakes up and he sees Chatty there and be like, what the fuck?
I'm single as fuck. What the hell?
Oh my God.
It's right across from Glorion.
I think it's this one. Well, let me look at the...
Look at the chairs.
I know, this is freaking cute.
What the?
Aww. Wait, oh my God, the beach.
Here and stuff?
Wait, this is so cute.
I can envision all of you guys in the club cars doing shit down there.
Aww. much
is it?
This one's like 625.
Beautiful, huh?
I love it. Look at this pier, Kitty. Look at this pier.
You can ocean dump people.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
I love this. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying. I want to see. I love this so much. I'm attached. I'm attached. I'm attached. Oh. Hello.
Hey, how it going?
I'm thinking about buying that house.
Nice. Yeah, the
Oh,
clowns
good.
were
The
here
clowns were,
yesterday saying
yeah.
we're gonna be your new neighbors.
Wait, the clowns already told you about it?
Oh,
Yeah.
you're buying it with them?
Yeah.
Are you sure they're gonna be able to? They were talking about how they're never gonna be able to afford it.
No. They're full of shit. They,
Oh.
if they, Chatterbox made $100,000 in 5 hours just talking to people in the Yellow Pages.
Yeah, but you okay? That's fine, but you can't just hope that's gonna happen every time, right?
Listen.
Do we know what
Listen,
officer would
if
give a
I
tour
tell
inside right now?
Chatterbox I want this house, he will make it happen.
I offered him a loan, and he told me to go yuck myself.
Yeah, they won't want to
Cassidy?
pay
Doesn't
the
like
interest.
interest.
I called
No,
Cat.
they don't like interest, but
Try
they will
bones.
make it happen.
Show her your house, Glorion.
Oh, can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
What time
I
were you
love
wanting to
looking at
go
the
to
way people have decorated.
It's yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
It's very
Yeah.
horrifying in there right now.
I'm down for 7 minutes, or if you want it in an hour.
My God.
It's.
Oh my God. Oh my
It's
God.
beautiful, right?
Oh my
That's fine.
God. This
Perfect.
is literally it's
Okay,
a gamer
fever dream.
it's a gamer house. Holy
Look at all the. Look at
sh-
all
What are you?
What
Sean.
the fuck? I didn't even know you could be this messy.
Well,
That's Glorion's desk.
Nah,
No,
no
that's
wait. You
Jaeger's
live like
desk.
this? You live like this. You live like this.
We live like this.
We.
We live like
oh.
this.
Oh my God. That is vile.
Look at
I
their
mean, if you guys
jacuzzis.
come up north, you can hang out in the koozie parties we have.
what's wrong?
What the fuck is this?
We have melee on the TVs over there.
Yeah, if you want to play some Smash.
You don't,
Where there's chime sounds? This was not
Delbert
what I
likes
was
to
expecting. This was
blast
not
some
what I was
Sloan
expecting.
Kelly.
oh yeah.
Get.
I want to do the dance. Wonder how long she's gonna be in her head for. Come here, kitty. Do it. My knee cracked. I'm getting old. Oh my god, my mega knees, bro.
Alright. Oh my fuck! 526. What the fuck? The car looks great. I love it. The wheels look better with the... Kirk said you have an idea. Huh? -1 missed call? Wait, what the fuck is... what is she doing?
Let me see if Chatty's around. Keep calling and keep calling and keep calling. And they keep calling.
Yeah, that's how her voice changes when she says Chatty.
I'm in love. I haven't told him yet,
I'm
though.
in love with the
I won't tell him. I'll never tell him. I'll never tell him.
You've been practicing though, no? Or did you stop practicing?
I look at this. Look at this that he left. Look at this note that he left in my glove box. Like, tell me I'm not the luckiest girl in the world.
To my cups. Sorry for not texting you. I did try calling a few times. Really happy we got to spend the day together. Not sure what I would do without you. I'm finding peace. Left some things in the glove box. Kirk yucked up your rims, but we will force him to fix it. Love ya.
He's so sweet, and then he left me so much
You guys
food.
say love?
Well, he told me he loved me like a week ago, but he keeps saying it back, and I keep not responding.
Page 2. Dear Cubs, can't wait to have that
you feel the
milkshake
same way?
later. Oh
What?
my god.
Wait, I didn't see that. Wait, no, you made that up. You wrote that. You wrote that. You wrote that. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Imagine.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I was so scared for a second. That's crazy. Unhinged. Crazy and unhinged. Crazy and unhinged.
Sorry, I had to.
But yeah, it's just he's been so. We just have
How
a
have
really
you been
great
feeling?
relationship. I'm so happy. He's perfect
There's no
for
rush
me.
in anything.
But I want to tell him. I just don't know how. It's just like freaks me out, you know? Because
Just do it casually one day. Don't plan it out.
Don't plan it. Just say it.
Yeah. Just when you'll know when it feels right. Like, let's say, sometimes when you wake up with someone and then you just like give them a good morning kiss and you just leave to work or something, right? And it's just like casual, right? You're not even thinking about it. It just happens. But if you keep thinking about, oh, when am I going to say it? When am I going to say it? You're going to freak yourself out, and then you're going to start second guessing things and spiraling.
I'm already spiraling.
And from the sounds of it, I feel like you're spiraling.
I've been
already.
spiraling ever since you said it. He said love ya at least like 5 times now, and I keep just like running away.
Has he ever said like I love you? Just like love ya. Love ya's casual.
I think it's been love ya a lot. Love ya, yeah. The first time he said it, we were just saying goodbye, and he just said it so casually, like the most casual thing, like it was normal. And then I asked him, I was like, "Did you just say what I think you said?" And he was like, "Yeah." And I was like, "Really?" And he was like, "Yeah, you meant it. Like, no big deal."
Try to find a spicy way to do it.
Well, I can't even think of a normal way to do it.
No, wait.
Oh my god!
Are you gonna be out of the city anytime soon?
Sorry.
Chatty,
Chatty, come to the house. No. The Polito one that I want to buy.
Wait, huh?
Yeah, the one in Polito. We're about to get a tour of the inside. I love it. I want this house.
Yeah,
I want it now.
Wait, you want it now? I can't get it now.
Now!
What do you mean now? Can I come in? Ray, there's something wrong with my phone.
Apparently, he's been looking at this house.
What? There's a bunch of missed calls, but there's like a glitch. It says like I have a negative missed call. What the yuck is going on?
Oh, I was mad at you for a second.
For what?
Okay, I was mad at you for a second because I heard you made out with like 3 other clowns, but I realized that you're a victim, and I already have plans to torture Kirk and Eli.
Yeah, I'm just up in Polito looking at a house with
I
Ray.
made out with 3 other clowns.
Well, just get here. I'll talk to you about it soon.
Okay, I'm on the way.
Bye. Don't. Hey, Chatty.
What?
I have plans for Eli and Kirk. Okay.
Okay.
They think I love the rims. But
yeah, I was gonna ask you what the yuck did you
Chatty
said that you
I saw the warehouse today, the CG warehouse. There is going to be a shark pit with real life sharks. Eli's greatest fear is the shark in the ocean. So I'm going to dump him in the shark pit when the sharks arrive. And also in the warehouse, there's an interrogation room, a cell, and a small padded room. Tessa and I are going to put Kirk in there, in the padded room with a bunch of vegetables. She already has
a shark pit?
Yeah. Well, we have to get the sharks first, but
I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. but I already have plans to torture them for kissing you and for my rims.
Okay. Oh, you're talking about when they yucking. Yeah, that was against my will.
Yeah, I know you're a victim. You would never cheat on me.
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, so they're gonna die.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, come to the house. Twinkles is here. We're
Alright,
gonna see
I'm
the
on
inside soon. Okay, bye.
All right, on my way. Okay, bye. You're fucking kidding me right now. Really? Oh my fuck! Bro. That is, that fucking sucks. Really? Chat, why do you fly out over anything? Oh, God. On brand? It is on brand. Bro, fuck that motorcycle. Swerve to aim at you too. I think the motorcycle was getting in this lane to turn like these guys. Fuck. Rip. Well, it is what it is.
What happened to Chatterbox?
I don't know. He was supposed to be here a long time ago, but he's probably arrested.
That's okay. I'm here.
Oh, what does it mean if the phone goes straight to voicemail?
He's on the phone.
He's on the phone.
Oh,
It means
okay,
if
okay.
the line's busy.
Well, now it's too late.
You want to make some money? Really easy?
Yeah.
Can you give me a ride?
Okay. Where?
To Grapeseed?
Grapeseed?
I'll give you $700.
Deal.
All right.
Okay,
I put on
I
the
don't
GPS
guarantee...
exactly where I gotta go.
Okay. But I don't guarantee the safety, so I mean, if something happens, you know?
Okay.
Hello? Not my fault.
I won, Chatterbox. Tell me something. Chatterbox. Do you commit crimes? Do you commit crimes? Sometimes. Oh, interesting.
The size.
So this is like three floors.
This is
Yeah.
for sure.
Definitely 3.
It's like 2 in a basement.
I would say this is 3 or 4.
4?
Yeah.
Kind of seems like 4. It's a tight 4, but
It's like a
definitely 3.
basement and
Yeah, this
depends
house
on how
is
you
super
wanna,
deep.
you know.
Yeah.
Also, I don't know if anyone's familiar. It doesn't have the lip thing that fucks.
Yeah, I hate
people.
the lip part.
What is the
yeah.
lip?
I love the lips.
Bitch.
I
We're
love
talking about
her so much.
architecture.
Classic excuse, Mickey. Excuse for fun. Please find the back door. Chatterbox, you have to admit it now.
Thank you for the ride.
Alright.
I really like this house.
The mock did here.
Twinkles, what do you think?
Nice.
Till he gets his money.
It's nice. It's awesome.
You think the
You
clowns
can look
will
at the
like
ocean
it?
through the windows.
Oh yeah, 100%.
There you go.
Ocean views.
So we just need to make that money then.
Yeah. Money.
Yeah, I think, what is it? 670.
Less problem.
Yeah, 671. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Cornwood.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not a gang member, but that doesn't mean I can't hire protection. Oh, you suck a yuck. Oh, how...
Well, I always see them doing G6 at night. No, not code for anything.
Well.
Finally.
Look who it is.
Yeah, I'm fashionably late, okay?
Fashionably.
I don't know. I woke up in the hospital.
Well, I'll have you know we already saw the house. Cornwood was already here to let us in.
Cornwood?
You missed it, and I was here for her.
You missed
Cornwood
it, and
fits
Gigi was
in the-
here for me.
Okay.
I want this house, Chatty.
Okay.
So we gotta start making money.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
three
All right.
stories. It's 3 stories.
What? This house?
Yes,
It's
this
massive
house.
inside.
It's huge. It could possibly fit 4 floors. Chat. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Okay.
Look. 2 chairs.
Talk to you in a minute, Gigi, you piece of...
Do you see these chairs? I like these chairs. Also, look at the pier. This is awesome. Oh, I just got a crazy message.
What do you mean?
I'll send it to you.
Okay.
I got a number from a random message. Wait.
I got a message. Oh, that's a great. That makes total sense.
I'm so dyslexic. Okay, I got it. I got a message from a random number. And this is the image they sent me. And then they said, I'm coming for Chatty. The name's Musclebox.
It's Eli.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he yucking pranked me with this one already. I almost killed him. Now, guess who's calling me?
Oh. Go
Guess
along with
what?
it. Go along with it. Go along with it. Go along with it.
What are you laughing about? Wait, what are you laughing about?
No, they're just wondering, did Ray happen to get a random text message a second ago?
Yeah, man. Some sack of yuck is messaging her a bunch of boy yuck, man. Like, you gotta help me, Eli.
I think it might be Musclebox again. I think it might be Musclebox. He's back.
It's Musclebox?
It's goddamn Musclebox. He's back again, man. He's coming for your
saying that
girl.
right- It's crazy you're saying that right now, Eli, because, like, I mean... Eli, have you ever been cut before?
Have I been cut?
Yeah, somebody ever cut you?
No, I cut Kirk yesterday.
I
That was the
really
most...
hope you enjoyed the remaining few moments left of your life.
You're welcome, by the way.
Yeah. What? You talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me,
You're welcome.
Gigi?
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome,
For
by the way.
what?
Just saying you're welcome. Jesus Christ, I gotta see you Jeff free.
Thank you?
You're welcome. This is the least you could do, you know what I mean? If you weren't here, you were fashionably late, you know?
Okay.
Kinda
really?
crazy.
You
Kinda
kidding
crazy.
me? You kidding me?
Kinda crazy. You know? Nothing to kid about. You seem like a joke to you.
Yeah, well, I think, Gigi, the tone, the look, everything I'm getting, the whole vibe I'm getting from you right now is so jealous. You're full of jealousy, yeah.
Jealousy?
Yeah.
What? What?
Because
what do you have what I want?
That really lovely human being behind you would totally choose me.
I already
over
have
you.
her, stupid. She's literally one of my bestest friends,
Yeah,
obviously.
but she'd leave you in a burning building to save me.
She wouldn't.
And I get it though. Like, I mean, you're with SK, right?
I'm not with SK, no.
Oh, you're not?
I'm not with anyone.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Oh, well, not even. Not even SK would. Oh God! Wow, Gee, I'm sorry.
What's that supposed to mean?
No, nothing. You know.
What's that supposed to mean?
Wait, what do you mean? Nothing.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's supposed to mean that here, look, you know what? Maybe you're just hungry. You know, have something to eat.
I am kind of hungry. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna go shut the fuck up because you gave me food now.
All right. Oh God. I just found the life hack.
Why did you tell her to shut the fuck up?
What? What?
I gave her fries. And
He gave her food to shut her up.
Why did you say that?
I didn't say it.
Gigi?
Yes.
What did he say to you?
He just said something along the lines of not even. He asked me if I was his SK. I said no. He said SK wouldn't even want you, kind of thing. And I was like, what is this supposed to mean? He was like, nothing. So what's that supposed to mean? Maybe you're just hungry. He gave me fries, so I said like, okay. Then he told me he gave me fries, so I thought that meant like, you know, shut up kind of thing, because I am kind of hungry a little bit. So then I walked away, and now we're here.
Why is he? Are you hurt?
No, I'm good. I'm not hurt.
Do you want him to be hurt?
No, it's okay. Really, it's fine.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah. Doesn't bother me.
Oh my God, you are way more grown than he is. Chatty?
Yeah.
Chatty.
No. That was only today.
Grow up.
Oh, what?
Grow up.
You're telling me to grow up.
Stop bullying her.
She started it.
How did she start it?
She came up to me and she's like, "Oh, Chatterbox, you're welcome. You're welcome." Starts getting up in my yucking face.
Welcome for what? She's saying you're welcome for what?
I don't know. She wouldn't tell me.
Gigi?
Yes.
Why did you say you're welcome?
Well, I only said you're welcome because you know he showed up late. And I was saying to him that I was here for you. So I said you're welcome.
That is very nice.
Welcome. You're welcome.
That is really sweet.
Yeah,
That is so nice.
yeah, you know.
You're welcome.
And you're really excited about it, and you showed up
Chatterbox.
late, and so I just wanted to be here. And I'm so glad to see your expression because you really want this house.
I do really want this house.
Yeah. You know, Chatterbox, I really do care. I even insisted that maybe, the house should not even be in your name, should be in somebody else's name, because I know you like to get onto some. Well, that's what I mean. Because
we're getting raided.
That's what I said.
That's what
literally
he told
what
me.
I fucking said.
Don't you raise your voice at me, Gigi.
I'm not. I'm literally just trying to fucking tell you some things, alright? Jesus Christ. What's funny? You have an attitude today.
We need to talk to everyone now. Apparently someone's looking at this house, and I will die if it gets sold. If it gets sold, I'm moving away.
I can make...
If this house gets sold, Chatty, I am leaving the city.
Yeah. Bitch, no, you're not. Excuse me.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No, we gotta get this house. I'm attached. I'm attached. You know what?
Okay. You know what? I have an idea.
Thank you, Kitty. See you tomorrow.
Put a sock if you guys are banging in the mouth.
I'm fucking without it. Okay. What? Okay, you staying here?
Go to the gas station. I'm gonna fill up the car for you.
Gas station? Where's the gas station?
You'll see. We'll just follow this road here. You go right to it.
Here. Okay.
It's a sequential, Cubs. You can put it in automatic.
What's that?
You can put it to automatic.
What?
The car. You're gonna blow the engine.
It's fine.
Ow! I am not having a good day. I don't know what's going
I'm having the best day ever.
I am a klutz today. You like it that much, Cubs?
I need it.
Really?
Why? You don't like it?
I'm just shocked. I didn't think it'd be that great.
It's 3 stories. It has 6 parking spots. It's on the ocean. There's a pier, and it's away from the city, and it's by this gas station, and I think it's perfect.
Then we'll make it happen.
What if someone buys it?
Then we're gonna have to kill somebody.
There's a constant reminder. reminder.